Hey guys, and welcome back to Cryptus Cybersecurity. So in this video I'm going to explain what is Bitcoin and cryptocurrency. So let's begin. So this is how Bitcoin looks like. So let's start with what is Bitcoin. Bitcoin is a decentralized digital currency that is exchanged between two parties without involving intermediaries like banks or other financial institutions. So well, it is two things actually. In simpler terms, Bitcoin the token, it is the digital currency itself, a snippet of code that represents ownership of a digital concept, and Bitcoin the protocol, a distributed network that maintains a ledger of balances of Bitcoin the token, otherwise known as the blockchain. So you may be wondering what is blockchain. So blockchain is a computer file for storing data, or to put it in more technical jargon, it is an open distributed ledger, which means the data contained within the blockchain is distributed across many computers and is therefore decentralized. Like I explained, it is a publicly accessible ledger, ordered chronologically in blocks. It is unchangeable. It verified by a decentralized network of miners. So this is how a blockchain looks like. First, someone requests a transaction, then request transaction is broadcast to a P2P network consisting of computers known as nodes. Then it validates. After validation, a verified transaction can involve cryptocurrency, and once the verified transaction is combined the other transaction to create a new block of data for the ledger. Then the new block is then added to the existing blockchain in a way that is permanent and unalterable, and then the transaction is complete. Mining. It verifying transactions by solving computational puzzles. Miners compete to win Bitcoin similar to lottery, avoided transaction fees as well as new Bitcoin. High overhead with power consumption uses high-end GPUs has led to a graphics card storage. Origins and the deep web. So it is created in 2009 by an unknown person using the alias Satoshi Nakamoto. Silk Road launches in 2011 uses Bitcoin as its currency, as Bitcoin can be pseudo-anonymous. Thought it was anonymous because no personal info is required to use Bitcoin. Transactions are verified by the network, making it hard to trace. However, the blockchain is a permanent and public ledger. The easiest ways to buy and sell requires a bank account information. So there are other cryptocurrencies like Litecoin, Bitcoin Cash, Ethereum, Atari Token, Zcash, and Dash. So this is the volatility of the Bitcoin price. Sometimes it may be too high and sometimes it may be too low. So it depends. Buying and selling requires a Bitcoin wallet. Many wallets are tied to an exchange. Coinbase. Coinbase is the leading exchange to buy and sell based on the current exchange value. Paying with Bitcoin. So there are lots of websites that allows you to pay with Bitcoin like Overstock.com, Expedia, eGifter, Newegg, Dish Network, Inusheet, Microsoft, Ritz Jewelers, Greenman Gaming. So that's it from my side, and thank you all for listening.